Alright. Um, Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Good morning sa ibang panig ng mundo. Ngayon po pag-uusapan natin is about the Auto Affiliates AI Academy. So, this is the first part of our session, our course. Gusto po namin ipaliwanag sa inyo, what is the narrative of our platform using Auto Affiliates AI Academy. Okay? So, why the AI Academy at Auto Affiliates AI was built for you? Yun ang malaking katanungan. So, gusto lang po namin ipaintindi sa inyo na the ugly truth about the AI education industry right now. Because sabi nga, AI has exploded into the mainstream. So dahil nakikilala na siya, nandiyan na siya sa ngayon sa mainstream. And whenever something exploded in a popularities, opportunities will follow. 'Di ba? We are living through the largest technological shift of our generation, but alongside innovation, a different industry has quietly grown. Okay? Yung sabi nga, the AI coaching gold rush, yan ay nangyayari ngayon eh. So dahil sa sobrang dami ng ah, mga narrative at magagandang press releases about sa AI industry, masyado na siyang na-overhype, masyado siyang nagiging overrated. Kaya sinasamantala to ng maraming mga iba't ibang mga guru nagpinuposisyon yung sarili nila as a self-proclaimed na mga expert about this industry. So most of them ginagawang komplikado yung AI para hindi mo masyadong maintindihan, but the truth is this is the only a tool. Is only a tool para sa gamitin ng mga tao at nothing special about the AI. Nandyan siya, pwedeng gamitin ng lahat, ginagawa lang complicated para ikaw as a target market dahil hindi mo siya masyadong maiintindihan, nandun yung opportunity na pwede kang i-exploit, pwede kang pagkakitaan, pwede kang singilin ng malaki sa mga tinatawag po nilang mga courses. Okay? So, yung basic tutorials, nire-repackage nila as a secret system. Yung mga pre-tools, nire-rebrand nila as a proprietary frameworks, which is ginagawa nilang complicated. Well, the surface level knowledge sold as a life-changing transformation. Ganyan po yung nangyayari ngayon sa industriya ng AI because this is something new. This is bago sa pandinig, bago sa nakikita ng maraming tao. Okay? So, the information that often teaches how to click buttons, not to think strategically, they focus on hype-driven screenshots instead of transferable skills. Tapos kadalasan, they promise income without teaching the system. Madalas po yan. Mas madalas dahil na-exploit ka, pinapakinabangan ka. And many students are left overwhelmed under skills and financially drained because they even sold sa mga student nila minimum of $200, even $1,000, and even $10,000 plus for the cost of upsells and high ticket sales prices. Ganyan po nila ine-exploit yung ganitong klaseng industriya sa ngayon. But the harsh reality, in many cases, the mentor profits more than selling from the idea of AI than actually using to build the real business. Yan po yung totoo niyan. And the result is a coaching industrial complex where the mentors gets rich and the students, madalas, they get only a PDF file or Zoom replay. So, yan po yung reality niyan. So, that's why the real problem in AI literacy has been gatekept by price. Masyado na siyang nag-gatekeep because pinagkakakitaan, masyadong ine-exploit at ginagawang greediness na ng maraming mga nagiging guru. And AI is not optional anymore. It is becoming infrastructure like electricity, like the internet. Yet the people who need AI literacy are the most often everyday entrepreneur, side hustle, students, freelancer, working professional. Yan po yung mga nangangailangan na ngayon ng AI. Kasi because the AI itself is para na siyang internet, para na siyang electricity ngayon. At lalo na sa mga susunod na mga panahon. Ngayong 2026, naging highly commodity na yung paggamit ng AI. Okay, but the price doesn't equal by depth. And the hype does not equal the skills. Yan po yung reality na nangyayari. At what should be democratized knowledge? How to understand and apply AI has been locked behind paywalls and prestige pricing. Masyado nang na-overwhelm yung mga nagiging guru, mga nagiging yung mga pinuposisyon yung sarili nila as a expert sa AI, and then maniningil talaga sila ng mahal. That's the reason kung bakit maraming Pilipino, maraming tao sa kasalukuyan is masyadong na-overwhelm pagdating sa AI. Ang akala nila, yung AI is napaka something na napakahirap like a magic, pero hindi po. Yun po yung goal at yun po yung main mission ng AI Academy ng AutoAffiliates.ai para ipaintindi sa maraming Pilipino, sa maraming tao through this opportunity, yung pong AI opportunity, yung AI marketing, yung AI agents, marami po kaming ituturo po sa inyo at hindi po kami maniningil. Ito po ay kasama sa package, kasama doon sa services na ire-render po namin sa public, sa mga subscriber ng amin pong platform. So, yan. This creates dangerous divide. Those who can afford to experiment and those who are forced to stay behind. So nahahati po sila ngayon. Yung may mga tao na kaya afford nila na mag-experiment ng iba't ibang AI tools, may pang-subscribe. Pero marami namang tao na hindi po kaya magbayad ng mga iba't ibang subscription, nagiging stay behind sila na tinatamad na silang mag-aral. O yet, hindi na talaga nila papasukin kasi ang impression nila, akala nila napakamahal ng mga tools and AI sa AI revolution na nangyayari na ngayon. Pero in reality, the AI revolution should level the playing field. Instead, it has started widen it. So, level po yung playing field ngayon. Mapamayaman ka, mapamahirap ka, mapamatalino ka, average ka lang na person. Ano po kayo ng AA revolution is naka-level po ang playing field right now. Okay, ano po ibig sabihin nun? Pantay-pantay po tayo ng opportunity. Okay. So, babasahin ko lang po ito na mabilis. Auto Affiliates AI was built as an antidote. Yan po yung tinuturing namin. So, we position ourselves into as an antidote, which is Auto Affiliates saw this early. We recognize the two truths. AI will reshape the every industry. Education must evolve without exploiting the moment. Okay, so yun po yung goal namin. And the AI Academy was built on a simple but yet powerful belief. A powerful AI knowledge should be accessible, actionable, and yet affordable. So sobrang affordable po ng aming ino-offer because kasama lamang po ito sa nire-render naming services ng mga AI tools na amin pong binibenta as subscription sa market, sa amin pong community na binibuild. Kaya po sobrang hindi lang po basta affordable, yet super duper affordable. In a minimum of $6, one-time subscription fee, may access ka na po sa mga AI Academy dun po sa starter level. Okay? And not watered down, not pad with plot to justify the price tag, not build around artificial exclusivity. So, hindi po namin ginagawa yun dito. And every module inside the AI Academy is designed around one core question. Can this student use this today to create a real leverage? Not someday, not after 10 upsells, not after buying 3 more programs. Hindi po ganon. Okay? So, sana yan po yung maintindihan po ninyo. Yan yung po yung narrative ng atin pong Auto Affiliates AI Academy. Okay. This system is built by people who actively using AI. This is not a course sold by someone whose primary business is selling course. Hindi po. Hindi po ito yung primary business namin. Ang primary business po namin is mag-develop ng yung auto affiliates AI is mag-develop po ng affiliate marketplace powered by AI and mag-develop ng iba't ibang AI tools na magagamit po ng community namin. Ang AI Academy po namin, we make sure na sa academy na to, matututunan po ninyo yung iba't ibang technique, yung from zero to expert level, na hindi po kayo kinakailangan magbayad ng mga mamahaling ticket sales, ng mga mamahaling courses, na overrated and not strategical way of teaching. So ito po, ibibigay po namin sa inyo kasama po ng subscription na i-offer po namin sa amin pong mismong platform sa bawat binibuild po naming community. Okay? So kasama po dyan yung business automation, build business and create automation, business scaling, scale marketing, and generate real-world result. Okay. So, sabi nga po, masasabi ko lang po is there's a difference between teaching theory and teaching applied leverage. Well, we choose leverage. Okay? And why it matters? 'Di ba? Bakit napakahalaga po nito? What the AI Foundation covers, yung foundation po na i-build at ituturo po namin sa mga binibuild po naming community. Before monetization, before automation, before scaling, there must be an understanding. Okay? So, the AI Foundation exists to AI literacy, to establish a core AI literacy so you are never dependent on a guru to interpret technology for you. So, that's the main reason. And the usability, break down how AI tools actually work in a plain, simple language and teach you how to think with AI, not just to use it as a button clicking assistant. Okay, so tuturuan ka po naming mag-isip. Tuturuan ka po naming mag-isip. Tuturuan ka naming turuan ka naming kung paano mag-isip kasama ang AI. Ibig sabihin, tuturuan ka namin kung paano mag-isip with AI. Okay? Hindi lang po kami namin tuturuan na magpumindot at para maging assistant lang si AI. 'Di ba? And last but not the least, is strategic development. So, develop structure problem solving using AI. Yan po yung mga matututunan po ninyo. And lay the groundworks for automation, affiliate systems, content creation, and income strategies. So, yan po yung mga magiging kapalit ng inyong pong pagsusubscribe sa AI Academy. With the foundation, everything else collapse. Without the foundation. Ito po lagi yung tatandaan. Wrong principle, ito po yung wrong principle sa paggamit po ng AI. If you chase tools without understanding principles, you became independent, you became dependent. Okay. And yung pong right principle, understanding the principle, if you understand principles, you become adaptable. And the adaptability is the real advantage in the AI era. Ito na po yung advantage mo kapag naging adaptable ka, pag naging yung adaptability mo sa AI technology. Okay? Magiging napakalaking advantage mo po yan sa pagharap mo po sa future. Okay? So next, the bottom line is, you deserve better than overpriced AI. Okay? Overpriced hype. The AI revolution should not belong only to those with deep pockets. Okay? Hindi po yan para lang sa mga may maraming pambayad. It should belong to those with curiosity and commitment. You should not go into debt, gamble your savings, or risk your financial stability just to learn how to participate in the future. Okay, kasi naniniwala po tayo na ang AI is the future ito po yung bagong revolution, ito po yung bagong era na magdidictate po sa ating future. Matututunan din po niyan along the way sa amin pong mga courses. And Auto Affiliates AI was built as a response to market that forgets who it was meant to serve. Okay, the AI Academy exists to give everyday builders, first-time learners, ambitious entrepreneurs, and a future-ready professionals the real seat at the table of AI economy because the future does not belong to those who brought the most courses. Okay, it belongs to those who understand the technology and understanding it should never cost you everything just to begin. Yan po yung bottom line ng atin pong narrative. Okay? So, gusto ko lang pong ipakita sa inyo kung ano po yung mga future, yung present and future frontier ng AI innovation. Okay? Papaintindi ko lang po sa inyo ito sa napakabilis na explanation. Sa ngayon po, the present, ito po yung ito po yung kasalukuyan na kalagayan ng AI innovation. Nandito na po tayo, ina-introduce na po sa atin yung LLMs or yung large language models. Ano po yan? Yan po yung mga chat-based AI tools like ChatGPT, si Claude ng Anthropic, uh, Perplexity, Perplexity, marami pa pong mga kakaiba like Gemini, even Gemini. Meron po silang chat-based AI tools. Content generation, which is sila Sora, sila nandyan na po si mga nasa mga yan nandyan na po si Sora, si Banana ng Google Gemini, even si Veo 3, di po ba? Andyan din po si Meta AI, di ba? Si Gemini, si Kling.ai at marami pa like si Grok ni Elon Musk. Okay? So, coding assistant, pinakamaasahan mo po dyan si ChatGPT and si Claude. Research summarization, language translation. Yan po. They predict the next word based on patterns learned from massive data. Yan po yung large language model or LLMs. But here's the key. LLMs don't think. Hindi po siya nag-iisip. They predict. Wala pong isip ang AI. Hindi po siya katulad ng nasa isip natin na meron siyang sariling isip. Hindi pa po nakangyayari yun ngayon. They predict, they are powerful assistant by they required human direction. Tayo pa rin po ang magbibigay ng direction. Kumbaga, the moment na paano mo siya i-prompt, paano mo siya bigyan ng instruction, bibigyan ka niya ng mas magandang result pag malinaw yung or clear yung instruction mo. Okay? This is why AI literacy matters. Yun po yung importante. If you don't know how to guide an LLM, you get average result. If you do, you get leverage. So that's simple. Yan po yung present, yan po yung kasalukuyang nangyayari na sa AI po, sa AI industry. Ito yung emerging phases. Pag sinabi ito yung bumubuka, tawag dito, nakikinita na natin, nandiyan na, nasa emerging phase na. Yung agentic AI. Okay, we are entering the agentic era. Agentic AI doesn't just respond. It acts, it can plan multiple step workflows, use tools autonomously. Ibig sabihin, kaya na po niyang mag-decide on their own. Well, at the guidance pa din nung kanyang user. Execute task across platforms, so multiple platforms na siya, and make decision within definite boundaries. May boundaries pa rin pong sinusunod. Ano po, instead of write me an email, it becomes research competitors, draft strategy, send follow-up, update CRM or customer relation management. Ano po yan? Hindi na yung basta assistant mo. Para mo na siyang empleyado na meron siyang specific task, meron siyang specific na routine na sinusunod. Yun po ang agentic or yung AI agent. Okay? This changed productivity completely. The question is no longer can you use AI? It becomes can you design AI system? May sinusunod na po siyang sistema. This is why foundation plus system thinking is critical. Okay, yan na po yung emerging pace ng AI and innovation ngayon. Okay, so ano naman po yung long-term horizon or yung long-term plan, yung long-term na makikita natin, makasasaksihan natin na paparating sa artificial intelligence innovation. Ang tawag po dito is AGI or artificial general intelligence. Okay, Artificial General Intelligence or AGI. Parating na po ito maybe in a few years, in a few months. AGI refers to a AI that can perform intellectual tasks at a human level across multiple domains. So ibig sabihin po niyan, kalos kapantay na siya mag-isip ng tao at the human level across multiple domain. Not just a language, not just an image, not just a code, but generalized reasoning. We are not there, we are not there yet. Hindi pa natin nakikita to. Parating pa lang to. Pero I guess, may prototype na to. I guess, the 1% of the 1% of the economy ng population natin, may mga nagkakagamit na po nito. I guess lang naman, iniisip ko. Okay, but every year, model move closer to broader reasoning capabilities. When AGI becomes viable, the advantage will not belong to those who panic. It will belong to those who understand AI fundamentals. Pag nangyari na po ito po yung mga mas makaka-take advantage nito. Yung mga taong they understand AI fundamentals. Kaya napaka-importante ng fundamentals, guys, nung mga dinidiscuss namin dito sa courses. Adapt quickly, build systems instead of jobs, and foundation today determine resilience tomorrow. Okay? So, yan po. At last but not the least, a theoretical future, yung SI or yung synthetic intelligence. Ito po yung theoretical future. Posibleng mangyari sa mga susunod na mga taon or dekada ng AI innovation. Synthetic intelligence refers to a AI that surpasses human level intelligence in most areas. Okay, this is still theoretical and speculative, guys. So don't get me wrong, hindi po siya nangyayari, pero ito ay posibleng mangyari. Nasa theory stage pa lang po siya. But the discussion are already happening globally. Na yun po, napakadami ng nagpe-present, nagde-develop at mga ginagawa nila ng mga safety parameters and at ng iba't ibang nation yung SI na yan because it uh it costs our ethics, governance, safety, and economic restructuring. So yan yung mga kailangan i-consider para dito sa theoretical future na to, which is yung synthetic intelligence. Whether SI happens in the next 10 years or 50 years, one truth remains. The world is restructuring around intelligence, and intelligence augmented by AI will be a ultimate asset. Okay? So bakit namin dinidiscuss to? Because most people are learning surface tools in the LLM era. But very few are preparing for agentic automation, system orchestration, AI augmented decision making, and strategic adaptability. But in Auto Affiliates AI Academy is not built for just today's tools. Hindi po siya ginawa para lang sa mga pangka, kasalukuyang tools ng AI tools. It is built for LLMs present, agentic shift, and AGI horizon. Yun po yung pine-prepare namin at whatever follows. Because when technology evolves, those with foundation evolves with it, those without foundation start over. Yan po yung tatandaan po ninyo. Okay po? And last but not the least, gusto ko po ito po yung maintindihan po ninyo at tumatak po sa inyo sa pangyayari po na to, sa narrative po na ito yung gusto kong tumatak po sa inyo. If you only learn prompts, you're learning a feature. If you learn foundation, you're preparing for a paradigm shift. Okay? The AI Academy isn't teaching you how to ride one wave. It's teaching you how to navigate the ocean. Okay po? So maraming salamat po at sana po magkita-kita po tayo sa mga susunod po nating